Welcome to my channel GK Assam, and please subscribe my channel to get all notification first. Question number 1. Choose the correct option. Bread is made. Option A, in flour. Option B, by flour. Option C, from flour. Option D, with the flour. Aru yar correct answer to hobo option C, from flour. Second question. Of the two languages I am learning, I find English dash. Option A, the easiest. Option B, easy. Option C, the easier. Option D, easiest. Our correct answer to hobo option C, the easier. Of the two languages I am learning, I find English the easier. Question number 3. He had scarcely set foot on road dash. He was knocked down. Option A, then. Option B, where. Option C, when. Option D, when. Our correct answer to hobo option C, when. He had scarcely set foot on road when he was knocked down. Option 4. The opposite of sparse is. Option A, crowded. Option D, thick. Option C, few. Option D, scattered. Our correct answer to hobo option B. The opposite of sparse is option B, thick. Thick. Next question. I don't know where he is, but I could dash a guess. Option A, suggest. Option B, attempt. Option C, hazard. Option D, estimate. Our correct answer to hobo option B, attempt. I don't know where he is, but I could attempt a guess. Okay. Next one. Question number 6. To paint the town red mean. Option A, to indulge in rioting. Option B, to paint the house red. Option C, to spill red wine. Option D, to have a lively time. Our correct answer to hobo option A, to indulge in rioting. Okay, next question. Gift of the gab means. Option A, lucky. Option B, a big surprise. Option C, an honest person. Option D, to have a talent for speaking. Our correct answer to hobo mane gift of the gab means option D, to have a talent for speaking. Question number 8. The word nearest in meaning to the word vindictive. Option A, harsh. Option B, cruel. Option C, crude. Option D, revengeful. Our correct answer to hobo option D, অর্থাৎ revengeful. Next question, question number 9. The word which is closer to the opposite in meaning word provoke is. Option A, attract. Option B, gratify. Option C, pacify. Option D, convince. আৰু ইয়াৰে correct answer to হ'ব option C, pacify. Next question number 10. The police have a complaint against 4 persons and have arrested 2 of them. Option A, lodged. Option B, received. Option C, registered. Option D, recommended. আৰু ইয়াৰে correct answer to হ'ব option D, recommended. অর্থাৎ option D to hobo correct answer. The police have a complaint against 4 persons and have arrested 2 of them. Recommended. Next question 11. Which of the following is not a prime objective or the Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan RMSA? Option A, providing important physical facilities for the schools. Option B, ensuring pupil teacher ratio to 30:1. Option C, providing basic minimum infrastructure to the non-government schools. Option D, opening schools in the of SC/ST minority population concentrated areas. Our correct answer to hobo option C, providing basic minimum infrastructure to the non-government schools. Next question, which of the following is a primary objective of the Gunotsav undertaken by the government? Option A, identifying schools of law enrollment for amalgamation. Option B, assessing school teachers for their career advancement. Option C, bringing awareness in teacher and in general public for quality education. Option D, assessing primary schools for providing requisite infrastructure. Here option C to correct hobo, bringing awareness in teachers and in general public for quality education. Next question, which of the following is the implementing agency of the National Policy for Persons with Disabilities 2006? Option A, the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Option B, the Ministry of Differently Able and Weaker Section. Option C, the Ministry of Child and Women Welfare. Option D, the Ministry of Social Inclusion and Empowerment. Here correct answer to have option A, the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Next question, it is a classroom model where students with special needs are taught in classrooms alongside their general education peers. With which of the following models the above statement is correct? Option A, special education. Option B, inclusive education. Option C, open education. Option D, non-formal education. Are here correct answer to hobo? Are here correct answer to hobo? Option B, inclusive education. Next question, which of the following agency is responsible for effective and expeditious disposal of cases relating to environmental protection and conservation of forest and other issues related to natural resources? Option A, the National Green Tribunal. Option B, Environmental Protection Agency. Option D, Wildlife Protection Society of India. Option D, the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Are here correct answer to hobo option A, the National Green Tribunal. Next question, which of the following is not the theme of the World Environmental Day 2017? Option A, eat safe, reduce your footprint. Option B, 7 billion dreams, one plan, consume with care. Option D, connecting people to nature in the city, on the land, from the poles to the equator. Option D, green economy, does it includes you? Are here a correct answer to hobo? Option C, connecting people to nature in the city, on the land, from the rolls to equator. Next 17, which of the following is the theme of International Women's Day 2017? Option A, Women in the Changing World of Work, Planet 50-50 by 2030. Option B, Equality for Women is Progress for All. Option C, Empowering Women, Empowering Humanity, Picture It. Option D, Planet 50-50 by 2030, Set Up a Step It Up for Gender Equality. আৰু ইয়াৰে কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ব অপশ্যন এ Women in Changing the World Planet 50-50 by 2030. Next, which of the following processes occur by which radiation from a planet's atmosphere warms the planet's surface to a temperature above what it would be without its atmosphere? Option A, radioactive effect. Option B, greenhouse effect. Option C, atmospheric effect. Option D, Raman effect. আৰু ইয়াৰ correct answer to হ'ব option B, greenhouse effect. এটো correct answer. Next question 19. Which of the following is used as the sign that identifies product as originating from a particular location, which gives not product a special quality or reputation or other characteristics? Option A, patent. Option D, intellectual property. Option D, indigenous product. Option D, geographical indication. আৰু ইয়াৰে correct answer টো হ'ব option C, indigenous product. Next question. The indigenous people of Assam, being a multi-ethnic, multi-linguistic, multi-religious society, speak languages that belong to three main language groups. Which of the following does not come under this? Option A, Indo-Aryan. Option B, Austro-Asiatic. Option B, Tibeto-Burman. Option D, Dravidian. আৰু ইয়াৰে correct answer টো হ'ব option D, Dravidian. Next, according to Swachh Survekshan 2017, the cleanest city or India is option A, Surat. Option B, Bhopal. Option C, Visakhapatnam. Option D, Indore. আৰু ইয়াৰে correct answer টো হ'ব Indore. Next, with which of the following activities Gandhiji was busy on 15 August 1947? 1947, when the Day of Independence was celebrated all over the country? Option A, at Sabarmati Ashram with his disciples praying for the welfare of the country. Option B, at Lahore in persuading M.A. Jinnah for rehabilitation on the Hindu refugees. Option C, in Calcutta trying to end the violence that had torn after division of the nation. Option D, in Amritsar leading the volunteer in sending the Muslim refugees to Lahore safely. আৰু ইয়াৰে correct answer টো হ'ব option C, in Kolkata trying to end the violence that had torn after the division of nation. এইটো হ'ব correct answer. Which of the following is a non-perennial river? Option A, Brahmaputra. Option B, Ganga. Option C, Indus. Option D, Godavari. আৰু ইয়াৰে correct answer টো হ'ব option D, Godavari. Option D, Godavari. 24. Playing It May Way is the autobiography of whom? A, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. B, Virat Kohli. Option C, Sachin Tendulkar. D, Kapil Dev. আৰু ইয়াৰ correct answer টো হ'ব option C, Sachin Tendulkar. Playing It May Way এইখন হৈছে কাৰ autobiography? Sachin Tendulkaৰৰ autobiography. Next, the National Science Day is observed every year on 28 February in honor of A. C.V. Raman, B. H.J. Bhabha, option C. Menghen Saha, option D. APJ Abdul Kalam. Our correct answer to hobo option A. C.V. Raman. Next, vermiculture technology is used in A. Productive of fish, B. Animal husbandry, option C. Poultry farming, option D. Organic farming. Our correct answer to hobo option D. Organic farming. Next, which of the following is the author of Hemkuh? Option A. Hemchandra Goswami, option B. Hem Bhai, option B. Hem Borua, option D. Hemchandra Borua. Aru yari correct answer to hobo option D. Hemchandra Borua. Next, who was the winner of Dadasaheb Phalke Award for 2016? Shashi Kapoor, option B. K. Vishwanath, option C. Amitabh Bachchan, option D. Ramesh Shippy. Aru yari correct answer to hobo option B. K. Vishwanath. Next, which state government has launched an e-textbook portal for school students? Assam, Kerala, Haryana, West Bengal. Aru yare correct answer to hobo option C. Haryana. Haryana ki korisile eta e-textbook portal launch korisile school studentsor karone. Next, by which constitutional amendment act was elementary education made a fundamental right under Article 21A? Option A. The 81st Constitutional Amendment Act 2020, the 26th Constitutional Amendment Act 2002, the 88th Constitutional Amendment Act 2004, the 96th Constitutional Amendment Act 2011. Aru yari correct answer to hobo the 26th Constitutional Amendment Act 2002. Next, which of the following classes are covered in elementary education in India? Option A. Class 1 to 4, option B. Class 1 to 6, option C. Class 6 to 8, option D. Class 1 to 8. Our correct answer to hobo option D. Class 1 to 8. Next, which Assamese film received the Nargis Datta National Award for Best Feature Film on National Intriguation? Option A. Dikhou Bonot Polah, option B. Mas Rati Keteki, option D. Handuk, option D. Kotha Nodi. Aru yare শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব option A. Dikhou Bonot Polah. Next question, which of the following situation would be the best for non-transfer of learning? Option A. Different tasks requiring different response. Option B. Different tasks requiring the same response. Option C. Similar tasks requiring different responses. Option D. Similar tasks requiring the same response. Our correct answer to hobo option C. Similar tasks requiring different responses. Next, the development of student personality is affected the most by a discipline in institute, emotional climate at home, inherited asset and liabilities. Option D. Social orientation of peers and elders. Here correct answer to option A. Discipline at institute. Next, teacher's professionalism means option A. To extent to which teacher subscribes to a professional code. Option B. A teacher has to teach for a check of getting salaries. Option C. A teacher must have completed professional teachers training course before his appointment. And option D. All of this. Our correct answer to hobo option A. The extent to which teacher subscribes to a professional code. Next, which of the following affects an individual's development at a given time? Option A, their experiences. Option B, interaction of nature and nurture. Option D, inherited potentialities. Option D, social pressure on the individual. Aru yare correct answer to hobo option B, interaction of nature and nurture. Next question, the greatest important cause of failure at the beginning of a teacher's professional life lies in the area of option A, interpersonal relationship. Option B, verbal ability. Option C, knowledge of the teacher. Option D, strict handling of the students. Aru yare correct answer to hobo option A, interpersonal relationship. Next question, the statement development process should be aimed to meet the needs of the present generation without compromising the ability of the future generation to meet their own needs represents option A, Gandhian model of development. Option B, Marxian view of development. Option D, sustainable development. Option D, the world perspective of development. Or yare correct answer to hobo option C, sustainable development. Next question, which of the not following pairs is not correctly matched? Option A, 6 schedule administrative of tribal areas. Option B, 8 schedule languages. Option C, 7 schedule distribution of powers. Option D, 10 schedule allocation of seat in the Council of States. Here a correct answer hobo option D, 10 schedule allocation of state in the Council of States. Next and last question, which of the following is not a constitutional body? Option A, Election Commission. Option B, Finance Commission. Option C, Union Public Service Commission. Option D, Planning Commission. Or yare correct answer to hobo option D, Planning Commission. আৰু আজিৰ ভিডিওটো ইমানতে শেষ কৰিছো আপোনালোকে ভিডিওটো চাই কেনে পালে কমেন্ট বক্সত জনাব আশা কৰো সকলোৰে কামত আহিব আৰু আপোনালোকে যদি ভাল পাইছে তেন্তে মোৰ চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব লাইক কৰি দিব কমেন্ট আৰু শেয়াৰ কৰিবলৈ কিন্তু নাপাহৰিব ধন্যবাদ